Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to show you the viewport overlays. What are the viewport overlays? Maybe you will ask. Okay, no worries. We have your cover up. Okay, we are in your back. Okay, so we are going to help you. Okay, if you notice that I put this one here, like you will see if I press 1 numpad 2 3 4 like that, I'm using middle and shift let me shift middle, yeah, like that. And let's go to the overlays. If I click on this one, you'll see nothing. If I click it again, you'll see this. And if I click on the floor, for example, this is guides, viewport overlays. If I click on the floor, we will not have any floor. Okay, you see, we don't have floors. What about axis? In this view, only X and Y is shown. If I click on the X will be gone. How I know? The X is red, and the green is Y, and the Z is blue. Okay, so for example, if I click on the X, I can see that I can't see the X-axis. If I press on Y, there's no axis left. If I press on Z, I can see the Z-axis. But we want this one and this one. No need for the Z. So what if I change the scale of this? For example, I change it. You see, it's going to change the scale of the grid. Okay, you see that? I'm just going to put it on 1, to normal 1. Okay, let me see. And text info. What's the text info? You see this? This is user perspective. If I put it on 5, you see user orthographic, or 5, and you see if it's a one collection cube, and you see. And let's change. If I untick this one, you can't see anything here. If I tick it, you can see it. What about 3D cursor? 3D cursor will be helpful, but I will not show you in this lesson what's the use of 3D cursor. Okay, but let us know what's 3D cursor. Look at here, this one, the red one, circle red one. I'll just uncheck it. You can see it's gone. If I check it, it became again to our word. What about statics? Statics, maybe let's put it here. You see that objects, vertices, edges, faces, triangles. You see? What's the object? This is 1 2 3. This is the first object. We clicked on it. It says we have 8 vertices. Why? Because if you press tab, we can see 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. I mean this one, this point. If we click on this, we have 8 vertices. What about edges? We have 8 edges. I mean 12 edges. What about the faces? In a cube we have 6 faces. You should know that. It's a shame if you don't know this. I'm kidding. No, it's not a shame, but know it from now on. What about the triangles? Why we have 12 triangles? Each 3D program thinks of a face like a triangle. If we cut this one, let me press K and let me cut it here, 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 and yeah, cut it here, and let me press enter, and let's see, and press K again. Let me cut this one here and enter again. You see, it's 12 triangles. How I know that? Let's see. Click on this one and let's count it. Let's put on 3 this one, the 3 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 triangles. They put it like this, okay? So understand it like this. Every program is like that, I think, yeah. And press tab, and we see this. Okay, you know what the statics mean. What about annotation? Annotation, we will not talk about it in here. Later on we will talk. What about extras? What about extras? Extras are known like it's camera and the light. They are extra, okay? Know that. What about the bones? We have bones we will talk about later. What about outline selected? For example, I selected this one, but if I want to not be shown, like it's orange when I select it. If I select this one, it will be orange. But I don't want to be orange, so I will uncheck that. You can see the orange one is gone. So I don't know what I selected, you see? For example, for this one it's gone, but for this one it's not gone, like this one. Let me see. For the light we can't do it, okay? For example, Shift A, let's go to the circle one and press G and X and show this one. We can select this one, you see, because it's 2D. Let's Shift A and go to the mesh and let's bring UV sphere and GX. You see, let's click on this. We can't click on this. Why? Because they are geometric things, not 2D. Okay, if I want to bring back this one, I should click on this outline. Okay, let me outline selected. You see, but what if I want this one to be gone? It will not be gone. Only for the geometry it's applying on geometry things. Okay, so let's see what's left. What about the origins? You see this? The origin of this one is this in the center. Okay, this cube. If I click on it, the origin will be gone. And this one, yeah, you know that. What about the wireframe? Wireframe makes dark things. You see it's shown here. It shows what UV sphere is made of. Okay, so let's uncheck. Let's play with it. Opacity like this, or the wireframe. This wireframe, and this is the opacity of the darkness. But we will not go in depth in this lesson. And let's click on it and bring everything to normal. And this was today's lesson. I hope it was helpful and see you in the next video. Goodbye.